things that we're keeping an eye on, especially midweek.
Yes, so not only are we talking about the heat, humidity, we've really been noticing that building today. Tomorrow it's going to feel even hotter, but we're also tracking the potential of strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow. So your temperatures out there right now, we're sitting at 90 degrees at O'Hare, same thing at Midway, 88 in Gary, 86 in Kankakee, same thing in Aurora. It's now 85 degrees in Waukegan. And as far as humidity goes, you definitely notice it. We have dew point temperatures for a lot of us that are sitting in the mid 60s now. So whenever dew points are in that range, you really start to notice the humidity, but it's not too uncomfortable just yet. But those dew point temperatures tonight and early tomorrow are going to be rising to around 70 degrees, if not in the lower 70s. So it is going to feel extremely muggy as we go into our day tomorrow. And that's going to be the story through the end of the work week. Now, the satellite and radar, we're keeping a very close eye on this activity that's going to start to develop well to our northwest over the Dakotas and into portions of Minnesota and Iowa. Take a look at this. This is the severe weather outlook for this evening and tonight, and that's far to our west. But tomorrow, it's going to be our turn to see some of those strong to severe thunderstorms. So I think tomorrow we're talking about 2 rounds moving through. The first round is going to move in around daybreak, continuing through about midday. And the longer that we can hold on to those storms, that's a good thing, because that's going to limit how much we're able to redevelop during the late afternoon and evening hours. But if we see that second round developing in the late afternoon and evening, then I think we have a pretty decent chance of seeing strong to severe storms from Lake County, Illinois, down towards Kankakee, and then over especially into northwest Indiana. Notice LaPorte County in an enhanced risk now. That is a level 3 out of 5, meaning numerous severe thunderstorms will be possible. Now, all hazards could be possible with that second round. That does include isolated tornadoes. So for those of you that are in LaPorte County, you have a 5% risk from the Storm Prediction Center and all locations. This does include Chicago, and then all the way up into Lake County has a 2% risk. But I really think that's going to be only if that second round develops during the afternoon and early evening. So FUTURECAST, let's time things out. Those are the storms developing tonight, making their way into the region tomorrow morning. This first round could have damaging wind gusts coming through before noon. And then the second round, notice this model's really not even picking up on it. But do you see this line beginning to develop over in Michigan? I wouldn't be surprised if that's what's expanding into our area, bringing us that storm threat during the afternoon and evening. Looking ahead then to Thursday, we are drying things out, but it still remains very hot. We're talking high temperatures close to the mid 90s. Heat index values could be in the triple digits. Tonight, 73, your 7-day forecast. We are in the 90s through Friday. Very hot and humid. Again, triple digit heat indices is going to be possible. Finally, cold front comes through, strong storms on Friday night, but 80s for your weekend. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Emily.